This is Ishmael Trevino, logging on 2/2/2011. The biggest snowstorm we had since 1999. The snow's pretty fucking crazy, if you ask me. Just look at that. It's taller than me. This is crazy. I'm trying to climb up this. It's not possible. Keep on sinking. Oh shit. Oh. Yeah, this one's pretty crazy, and I think that's supposed to be like a ride. I can't tell. Looks like I'm gonna have to do a little bit of shoveling later too. I think the sun's starting to come out. It's pretty windy out though. Garbage can go, not much of a big deal. What's in it is a big deal. Sucks for the garbage man. Thought you were gonna suck for me too. That snowdrift is about, I'm gonna say that's 4 feet, 5 feet. That snowdrift, 6 feet. Really can't see it that well because it's kind of dark out. I say, if you're Kenosha movers, you're not a very smart person. I think you should have waited till tomorrow when it's sunny, when it's nice and sunny and there's no more storms coming. Because I believe we got 2 more coming. I'll have to fix this up a little bit because my mom ain't gonna get in here with that little car. Won't be that hard. I can take care of it in about 15 minutes, hour. I don't know. Long time. I think the tree's starting to fall over. Looks like it. Driveway looks pretty. The road looks pretty clean. Nothing's really wrong with the house. That's about it. This is Ishmael Trevino, logging off 2/2/2011.